Emergency distress from Zone Delta. Same herd. Injured adult. Possible poachers nearby.
Deploying rescue team. Prep the tranquilizer gear and medical kits.
We've got a visual. Calf's in danger. Mother's calling for help. Massive constrictor confirmed. This is real time.
This isn't just rescue, it's survival. We move now.
Coordinates locked. ETA 4 minutes.
Savannah 1 ready for liftoff. Heading north-northwest, Zone Delta.
We go in silent. Water's too fast for gear. We go staggered.
She's close. Still bleeding.
Eyes up. Weapons safe. We move on foot now.
Thermal drone up. Scan for calf signature.
That's the calf. She's alive, but not moving.
40 meters north.
Terrain steep. We go silent.
She's right on the edge of restricted terrain.
We don't wait, we go now.
That's not part of the herd.
Is it moving?
Hold. Something's wrong. It's coming this way.
Hold position. Prepare for contact.
Hold fire. It's protecting something.
Can't breathe.
No! Hit the flank, not the headway.
He's stable. Move out before it comes back.
The scent's still fresh. It's watching.
Eyes open. This forest hides more than it shows. She's just ahead, but she's fading.
Stay low. One move, clean and fast.
She's slipping.
Go, now! Vitals faint. I need feel serum now. Clear the tail, it's still moving.
You're okay. You're free now.
We've got her. Prep for lift. She's looking for her mother.
She's alive.
Still no signs of the mother.
It's too quiet.
Defensive circle. Full position. Don't let it separate us. NOW!
Tripwire! Set the net!
She's secure for now. The net, it's failing.
Fall back. Now.
She made it.
Target locked. Clear the zone.
Clean hit. Minimal impact. Fall back.
Heartbeat weak. We're losing rhythm. Get the IV line in. Oxygen now.
This is it. Inject. She's coming back.
HQ to ground team. Satellite shows movement north of your position. Possible signs of a second injured adult.
Celebrate later. We are not done yet.
Specimen secured. Transport ready.
Hold altitude. Keep it steady. She's testing the walls.
She's home now.
Let's call that a good day.
That's not where it should be.
Everyone up. We've got something.
Looks like it's starting again. Looks like it's starting again.
We can't stand by and do nothing.